Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhuparna Paul, consultant neurologist, Disan Hospital, Kolkata. 11th April is World Parkinson's Disease Day. So what is Parkinsonism? Parkinsonism is a neurodegenerative condition where the patient usually complains of slowness in daily activities, tremors in hand, and there is a generalized rigidity or stiffness of the body. As the disease progresses, the patient develops a gradual forward bending posture, and there may be history of recurrent falls. Along with that, the patient may have bladder problems, or there may be bowel problems like constipation, there may be anosmia or decrease in the smell sensation, or there may be some abnormal limb movements at night called restless leg syndrome. The disease usually affects the elderly after 60s, but yes, the Parkinsonism can also occur in young patients less than 45 years, but that is less common. We call it young onset Parkinson's disease. Now, when the patient comes to us, they usually ask, what is the cause of this Parkinsonism? Is it 100% curable? But our answer is that Parkinsonism, the symptoms can be controlled, and it occurs due to deficiency of a particular chemical or a particular substance in the brain that is called dopamine. Earlier we diagnose the disease, the better is the outcome. The symptoms are managed with various medicines, and the patient usually has a very good response to medicine, especially the idiopathic Parkinson's disease patient. So, the symptoms of Parkinsonism are controllable, and a patient with Parkinsonism can lead a very nice and healthy life with proper medicine, but the disease should be diagnosed at a proper time. What happens, as it is a disease of elderly, often we the family members used to think that it is a normal aging process when the patient has tremors in their hand, or they have like slowness in their daily activities. So what we need to know that if any of the elderly patients in our home are suffering from a slowness, rigidity in the body, we should immediately consult the neurologist and start the medicine at proper time, because earlier we diagnose Parkinsonism, the better is the outcome. And yes, a Parkinson patient can lead an independent life with proper medication, of course. Thank you all.